In Money Watch, there are concerns the price of Bitcoin and other digital assets could tank.
Yeah, this comes as the Federal Reserve announces hikes to interest rates to offset inflation. Now, Bitcoin has been struggling for the past few months, and while historical data suggests this month could be a strong month for cryptocurrency, experts warn that it could be heading for a sharp correction.
For more on all of this, let's bring in Wall Street Journal reporter Paul Vigna. Paul, great to see you again. Always a pleasure to see an old colleague. So what is causing
Hi, Tanya.
what is causing the crypto market to struggle right now? Do you think this is temporary? What will it take for it to bounce back?
Well, it's to back up just a second. What's happened in the crypto markets over really the past 2 years is the kind of people investing in it has changed. You have a lot more professional money managers in this market now, to the point where they really kind of dominate trading. And what you've seen happen because of that is that Bitcoin, Ethereum, other cryptocurrencies have really become more a part of the capital markets. And within that, they've become sort of slotted over towards the riskier end of the capital markets because they're very risky. So you have people now not just buying Bitcoin or Ethereum, but they're buying, they're investing in crypto, they're invested in stocks, they have an entire portfolio. Crypto becomes a riskier part of that portfolio. Then you pull back and look at what's going on in the capital markets right now, and you have rising inflation, you have rising bond yields, and you have the Federal Reserve and other central banks changing their monetary policy. That is putting pressure on growth stocks. That is putting pressure on risky investments. And investors, as they sell those things, they are also selling their cryptocurrencies.
So, Paul, you mentioned it's potentially a risky investment. Does that mean it's no longer a safe bet for people looking for a long-term investment?
I don't think I would have ever said it was a safe bet. I mean, look, I think cryptocurrencies are, they're a fascinating technology. It's a great story as a writer, as a journalist. It's a great story to be able to tell. But as an investment, these are risky investments. They do not have a long track record. I mean, Bitcoin is the oldest, and that's only been around about 13 years. So they have a short track record. For most of their time, they were an extremely small market. They've never really, up until the last couple of years, operated on a very large scale. Now their estimates are that there's about 300 million people around the world that hold cryptocurrencies, which is a big number for crypto, but it's still a small number, right, relatively speaking. The entire market cap for the market is around $2 trillion, depending on where everything is trading right now. That's a small asset class compared to stocks or bonds. So it is still a small market. It is still a new market. You don't exactly know where any of it's going. You don't know what these things are going to become in the future. So it is overall, it is a risky market.
Yeah, I mean, how do we know that, for instance, Bitcoin won't become the MySpace of the cryptocurrency world, right? I mean, there's no guarantee that this could just disappear. It couldn't just disappear in a few years.
Yeah, it could. I mean, and you look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a longer track record. It has an extremely passionate fan base. But yes, and Tanya, and I could even go further back and say, could Bitcoin become the Betamax of cryptocurrencies? And there's no guarantee that something better won't come along and people will migrate to it. That absolutely could happen. Just like it could happen, and history shows that it has happened for virtually every blue chip stock. You look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it started out in the 1890s with 12 stocks. The last of them was GE, and now GE's out of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Right. So history shows us that, the big, safe, stable thing right now could change over time. And in the tech world, all of that has obviously been, that growth has been, sort of hyper compartmentalized. So yes, I mean, absolutely, it could happen that Bitcoin could go away.
I'm just glad I'm not giving investment advice to anyone.
Take your money out. Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
Paul Vigna, thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me on.